Every day, cyber threats evolve, targeting businesses like yours. Many companies remain unaware of vulnerabilities until it's too late. Penetration testing reveals these hidden threats before they become breaches, safeguarding your business's future. Imagine discovering a breach only after it's compromised your data. That's the reality for many businesses. But with proactive penetration testing, you can identify and address vulnerabilities before they become costly problems. Regulatory compliance isn't just a legal requirement, it's a trust-building measure. Non-compliance can lead to hefty fines and damage to your reputation. Penetration testing is a key component of maintaining compliance and ensuring your business's integrity. Think of compliance as a shield protecting your business. Without it, you're exposed to risks and penalties. Penetration testing fortifies this shield, ensuring you meet regulatory standards and build trust with your clients. Penetration testing simulates cyber attacks to identify vulnerabilities. It provides a real-world assessment of your security posture. Think of it as a proactive defense strategy, ensuring your systems are robust against potential threats. By simulating attacks, penetration testing uncovers weaknesses before malicious actors do. It's like having a security expert on your team, constantly evaluating and strengthening your defenses. With over 25 years of experience, Arrakis Consulting is a leader in cybersecurity. Our team uses cutting-edge techniques to ensure thorough testing, tailored to meet the unique needs of your business. We don't just test, we partner with you to enhance your security. Our customized approach ensures that your business is not only compliant, but also resilient against evolving threats. Hear how we've helped businesses like yours secure their systems. Our clients have achieved compliance and peace of mind, knowing their data is protected. Success stories demonstrate the tangible benefits of our services. From preventing breaches to ensuring compliance, our clients' experiences highlight the value of proactive security measures. Assess your current security measures and identify gaps. Understand the importance of regular penetration testing. Reach out to us for a consultation and take control of your security today. By taking the first step, you're investing in your business's future. Regular testing ensures you're always one step ahead of potential threats, safeguarding your assets and reputation. By choosing Arrakis Consulting, you're investing in your business's safety. Contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com or visit www.arrakisconsulting.com. Let's work together to protect your business and ensure compliance. Remember, proactive security measures today prevent costly breaches tomorrow. By partnering with Arrakis Consulting, you're securing your business's future and building trust with your clients. Let's recap. We've explored the importance of penetration testing, regulatory compliance, and the Arrakis Consulting advantage. By taking action, you're ensuring your business's safety and compliance. Help secure your future with Arrakis Consulting. Contact us today to start your journey towards a safer, compliant business. Together, we can protect your assets and build a resilient future.